the sacrifices that you have to make. And sometimes they understand what you had to do and choose a major or choose a path which does not bring joy to their life. And I always say this, that if you can make a living doing what you love, you're blessed. Because most of the people on this earth work their whole life at a job that they hate. But they're going to do it there, they're going to roof overhead, food on the table, and clothes in the back. So if this, any parents out there, don't crush your child's dreams. Please don't. Please don't. Because they'll make a choice in life because what you want to do was not they want to do, and many years later they'll end up resenting you because they got stuck somewhere in a job which brings no joy to them at all. So that's just for the parents. So luckily I didn't have parents like that.